Did you know a man once snuck out at night to look at a ruined city wall, alone, in the dark, so nobody would know what he was planning? His name was Nehemiah. The walls of Jerusalem were broken. His people were in danger, so he decided to rebuild them. But the moment he started, people laughed. They said it was impossible. They made threats. They never stopped. Nehemiah didn't argue back. He prayed, then picked up another stone. The lesson? When people mock what you're building, pray and keep going anyway. Comment a brick emoji if you do the same.